Hi Fosi family, welcome back to the Fosi Audio channel. Today we are proud to show you something new and something a little different. Meet the ZH3 fully balanced DAC headphone amplifier and preamp, a compact all-in-one unit designed to bring clarity, power, and flexibility to your audio setup. But first, let's take a closer look at its design. The ZH3 continues the signature look of Fosi Audio Z series with an all-black aluminum body and smooth matte finish that feels solid and looks clean on any desk. Up front, the bright orange multifunctional knobs adds that classic Fosi touch, both visually striking and smooth to operate. The front panel's layout is clean and intuitive. From left to right, you have got a display screen showing volume and input status, a 6.35mm headphone jack, and a balanced 4.4mm headphone output, and a multi-functions knob which handles volume, input switch, and settings, all in one. Around the back, the ZH3 keeps things just as neat. It offers both XLR and RCA output, so you can easily connect it to a power amplifier or a pair of active speakers, depending on your setup. For inputs, you have got an RCA input, optical, coaxial, and USB, covering everything from analog source to digital device. It also supports 12-volt trigger in and out, so you can link it with other Fosi Z series products for synchronized power control. One press powers the whole system on or off. Power is handled by a standard DC 12-volt input, keeping the setup clean and compact. Now that we have covered the outside, let's take a look at what makes the ZH3 special on the inside. At its core, it features a premium chip combo, an AKM4493 SUQ DAC for high-resolution audio decoding, an XMOS XU316 USB processors for smooth digital input, and 4 OPA 6012 op-amps for clean dynamic amplifications. Together, they support up to PCM 768 kHz 32-bit and DSD 512, delivering clarity across all formats. But hardware alone isn't enough. The magic lies in the circuit's design. ZH3 uses a custom fully balanced complementary push-pull architecture, delivering up to 2.5 volts at 32 ohms per channel, and channel separations better than 117 decibels. The audio path uses 0.1% precision resistors and low drift capacitors, keeping channel matching error below 0.02 decibels, ensuring precise stereo imaging. Power regulations is just as refined, thanks to 11 ultra-low noise LDOs and solid-state capacitors, keeping background noise down to just 1.9 microvolts. Even at high gains, the ZH3 remains whisper quiet. As for features, ZH3 gives you added flexibility. You can enable bypass mode to skip internal EQ processing, perfect for preserving the purities of your source signal when feeding external amps or active speakers. As for gaming consoles like PS5, the ZH3 supports UAC mode switching. Just toggles to UAC 1.0 for compatibilities. For computers and smartphones, UAC 2.0 gives you the best possible audio performance. Let's take a quick look at the key spec of the ZH3. On paper, it is clear the ZH3 is built for serious audio performance, but let's see how it actually performs in real-world setup. Follow up, we are going to explore how the ZH3 performs in 4 practical scenarios as the headphone amps, preamp, DAC, and desktop switching hub. Here, the source is an iPad, connected it through the ZD3 DAC and then into the ZH3. We have paired with the Fosi Audio HiFi planar magnetic headphones. Plug it through the 4.4mm balanced output. In this demo, we are running music from a laptop, feeding the signals to the ZD3 DAC, and from there to the ZH3. The ZH3 acts as the preamp, sending the signal to the ZH3 power amplifiers, which drives the pair of passive speakers. In this setup, the ZH3 is used purely as a DAC, feeding the signal to the Fosi Audio ZH3 tubes headphone amps. Paired with the i5 planar magnetic headphones, it delivers a clean, detailed signal, making it a great digital front end for tube or analog gear. The ZH3 also makes your desktop life easier. Just double press the knob to switch between headphones and active speakers. No more unplugging, just instant, seamless output switching. So, this is the ZH3, a compact, fully balanced DAC headphone amplifier preamp, all in one solid little unit. Whether you are building a clean desktop setup or getting the most out of your headphones, the ZH3 offers the high-end performance without the bulk. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.